Let me ask you something. How many times have you seen someone online promising life-changing crypto signals for a price? Charging you for a course maybe, a membership, a Discord, all while claiming they've cracked the market. Here's the question nobody asks then. If your signals are so good, why do you need to sell them? If they were printing money, they'd just print money. My name is Sid, and about a year ago, I got tired of the BS. So I built something different. This is CHKKY, and today I'm going to show you exactly what it is, how it works, and how you can start using it right now for free, no catch. Okay? CHKKY started because I noticed something. There were signal tools out there with genuinely good accuracy, but they were buried behind paywalls or wrapped up in so much hype you couldn't trust anything around them. So over the past year, I secretly built and tested a signal system, tracked the accuracy, refined it, made it even better. And what we found was, when these signals are followed with discipline, they produce consistent profit. Not lottery wins, not 1000x promises, consistent, repeatable profit. That's the foundation of CHKKY. Because the signals work, we don't need to sell them. So we don't. Alright, let me show you how this actually works. You need to go to www.chkky.com, that's CHKKY.com. First thing you want to do, turn on notifications. You'll see the option right there. Do that now, because this is how CHKKY alerts you when a strong opportunity appears across the coins we track. You won't be sitting staring at charts all day. The notifications come straight to you. Now, once you have notifications sorted, that's not your entry signal. The notification is not the entry signal alone. That's your prompt to go check. Here's where you need to go next, okay? So either you tap on the notification that you receive, or you come to the website, click on resources in the menu, and then click dual confirmation. This is where the core of CHKKY shines. The dual confirmation page. What you're looking at is a full breakdown of signals across dozens of coins, and the reason it's called dual confirmation is important. We're not showing you one signal and sending you in blind. Both signals need to line up before a position is worth considering. That's what filters out the noise. You can see here we're covering coins like BTC, Ether, Solana, XRP, Doge, Pepe, a huge range of coins. For each one, you're getting directional guidance. What that means practically is, when you arrive after getting a notification, you're looking for the entry price range and the exit target. That's your trade plan, entry, exit, discipline. So let's say you get a notification that SOL is showing a strong buy signal. You come to this page, you find SOL, you check both signals confirming. Is the directional price giving you a clean entry zone? If yes, that's your window. If the confirmation isn't clean, you wait. The discipline is the difference between the people who profit with this and the people who don't. I want to be straight with you about something, because I'm not here to oversell this. CHKKY is a tool. It's a powerful one. And the accuracy we've tracked over the past year gives us real confidence in it. But no signal tool removes risk from crypto. And what it does is it puts the odd in your favor. So the odds are in your favor consistently when it is used correctly. The people who win with CHKKY aren't the ones chasing every notification. They're the ones who come to the dual confirmation page, see a clean setup, size their position sensibly, and stick to the exit. That's it. That's the whole game. Discipline isn't a bonus tip, it's the product. So here's all you need to do right now. Go to CHKKY.com, that's CHKKY.com, turn on notifications, bookmark the dual confirmation page seriously, put it in your browser bar, and when the notification drops, go check it. See if both signals confirm. Find your entry zone, set your exit, and trade with discipline. That's CHKKY. Free signals, real accuracy, no courses to buy, no membership to unlock, no guru selling you a dream that'll never happen. Just a community built around tools that actually work. If this resonates with you, subscribe because we're just getting started. Drop a comment below telling me what coin you would want me to cover in the next video, and share this with anyone you know who's sick of the BS in this space. So there you go. Welcome to CHKKY.